Based in Lower Saxony, Germany, Georgsmarienhütte GmbH is one of Europe's leading suppliers of crude steel, steel bars, and bright bars made from quality and engineering steels. The company also delivers machined, ready-to-install components. Today, Georgsmarienhütte ranks among the most climate-friendly steel producers in Germany. With its low CO2 value chain, from melting scrap in the electric arc furnace to recycling it into new steel, the company is recognized as a pioneer in sustainable steel production and makes a significant contribution to the circular economy. During steel production, one of the most critical stages is cooling. Water is used to cool steel heated to temperatures of up to 1,550 degrees Celsius. This cooling water must be continuously purified of suspended solids. Otherwise, the filter systems may fail, and with them the entire cooling process, potentially bringing the steelworks to a standstill. Powerful filter systems capture these solids. The collected material forms slag, which is discharged through an underground slide gate into a water basin. An excavator then transfers the slag into a second basin, where it is left to dry. Finally, the dried slag is moved to a third basin, ready for removal.
Our goal was to create a fully automated process in which the excavator can precisely detect when the basin is full and needs to be emptied. It was especially important to us that the system operates completely maintenance-free.
To achieve automated discharge, a measuring system was required that could reliably detect the fill level in the basin, allowing the excavator to know exactly when to shovel. The task was especially challenging due to the harsh environment, which is heavily filled with steam generated by the cooling system.
Our working environment here is generally very challenging. On top of that, we have to deal with both wet and dry slag, as well as extreme weather conditions like rain, snow, and storms. Finding a solution that can withstand all of this was no easy task.
After testing several solutions, the Georgsmarienhütte steel mill chose the Symeo LPR1DHP 350. This compact radar sensor is ideal for short to medium range measurements and can be installed quickly and easily. Its key advantage: it operates completely maintenance-free, requiring no cleaning or calibration. After several weeks of testing, the engineers in charge confirmed that the level measurement system works reliably, day in, day out.
Symeo radar sensors are built to perform in harsh environments where other technologies fail. They deliver reliable results even under extreme weather conditions, including heavy rain, fog, and dust. Thanks to their exceptional robustness, they operate dependably in both intense heat and extreme cold.
We are extremely satisfied with Symeo's solution. After testing various alternatives, we found that the Symeo sensor offers a reliable, long-term solution. Since its installation, the system has been running flawlessly without any failures.